Paying for your favorite games on Steam with Revolut is a hassle-free process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. To start, launch the Steam app on your laptop and log in. If you have a Revolut account and want to make a payment on Steam, you'll need to access your Revolut card details. Simply open your Revolut app, locate your card, and click the I button to reveal crucial information like the card number and expiry date. Once you have this information ready, return to Steam and browse for the game you wish to purchase. Select the game, click Add to Cart, and then hit Purchase for myself. In the Payment Method section, opt for Visa as your choice of payment. Please note that Steam offers various payment methods, including Visa and PayPal. Enter your Revolut card details accurately, including the card number and expiry date. Don't forget to input your billing information, including your first and last name, city, billing address, postal or zip code, and select your country. Provide your mobile number as well, and ensure all details are accurate. Finally, click Continue to complete your purchase successfully. By following these steps diligently, you'll seamlessly pay for your game using your Revolut card, guaranteeing a smooth and secure transaction. Enjoy your gaming adventure